Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks you later. Install IntelliJ and a compatible JDK, then add the Dart SDK. This gives you the compiler and pub package manager. Open IntelliJ, install the Dart plugin, and enable it for your project. This wires editor support, syntax, and debugger. Once done, create a new Dart project or open an existing folder. Make sure IntelliJ detects the SDK path. This quick setup lets you run code and see real-time errors immediately. You now structure and configure the project for smooth development. Create or open a project with a pub spec. YAML, run pub get to fetch packages so imports resolve. Create a main. Dart, write a small main function and configure a run configuration for Dart. This saves repeated setup. Use IntelliJ's code completion and quick fixes to speed typing and set breakpoints to inspect variables. Once configured, run or debug. The toolchain compiles and shows output so you can iterate fast. You finish by executing and validating your work, then troubleshoot if needed. Run with the green button or use debug to step through and watch variables. Use hot reload for Flutter projects to keep state. If something fails, check the run configuration, confirm pub spec. YAML entries and rerun pub get to resolve packages. Make sure the Dart SDK path in settings points to the correct folder. If the IDE still misbehaves, invalidate caches and restart. That often clears indexing or plugin glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.